Let me open. Can you see the screen now? My screen, can you see? Oh, very good. Because last time you always tell me, I cannot see, I cannot see. Ah, I remember I have to take another picture for a while, not like this. Uh, because first I took a picture, we are everybody, everybody is seen, right? I also need a picture that I am in the middle. How can I put you down? Because now wait, now I can see I'm in the middle and students up. But BMA wants I'm middle and students down. But you are up. Huh? Line is like this. Only for Zoom. Ah, on only for Zoom. Okay, it's okay. Marisa, can you open your camera for a while, Marisa? Marisa, Marisa, hurry. Oh, it's okay. Piranat, do not move. Bucharo, remove your sticker. Hurry. Okay. Tanita, stop drinking for a while. Face the camera for a while. 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Come in. Can you come nearer? Come nearer. You're far. Hmm. Oh my. Nacha, can you move a little? A little. Move a little backward. Uh, not move a little. I mean, Nacha nearer. Nacha, do not go away. You are included. Nacha. Okay. Piranat, stop. Piranat. Marisa, open your camera. Hurry. Marisa. Ugh. 1, 2, 3. What are you doing, Piranat? Okay, I will share the screen now. Turn off microphone. Who is Piranat? Please turn off microphone, please. Ah, Pir- Shh. Yes. Okay. Okay. Oh, science book. We are in science now. Okay, let's us review first. Piranat, can you turn off your microphone? I will start the class. Thank you. Pichaya R. Turn off the science. We are now learning science. Turn off your okay. Okay. So let's review first about our lesson last week. What was our lesson last week? It was about adaptation. How animals adapt, or how do animals live in their environment? What do they do to survive? So they have different ways how to survive the environment so that they can live and they will not be killed by other animals. So what do they do? How do they protect themselves from predators or animals? So we have to learn two types of adaptation. First, we have structural. Structural means the shape and how of their body or how their bodies are made to protect from the enemies, and so that they can eat, they can survive in the environment where they live. So just like this snail, the structure of its body, or its body has a shell, so that when there is danger, uh yes, yes, Kultida. Okay, just listen, okay? Just listen to me. 1:30. 1:30. You can see in the screen it's 1:30. Oh, okay. So the snail has the body structure of the snail has a shell for protection to cover the body. Yeah, shelter. Ah. When the snail feels, oh, I am in danger, so the snail will pull its body inside the shell and hide under the shell. Then it can be protected. That is the body structure or structural adaptation, the structure or how the body is made. And then the stick insect also, the body structure is made to be like this so it can protect itself from others or danger. It looks like a stick. So predators will think, this is not food because it looks like a stick. Okay. Uh, Nat Nacha, please turn off your microphone. I can hear my voice. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay. Next, another another adaptation is we have behavioral adaptation. It means they behave, they how they move, how they uh react, or how they survive in their environment using it depends on how um the animals move and react to the environment. Example, during the winter, in winter it's very cold, right? And there's always snow. So what does a bear do to its body because it's very cold? In it's here. You can read. For example, grizzly bears hibernate. Hibernate means they hibernate means they will sleep for during the winter. They will sleep inside the cave. Sleep. They will not go out because it's very cold. So that is how their body reacts, your behavior. They behave that way. They sleep for the winter. So, again, there are two kinds of adaptation. First, the two main kinds of types of adaptation for the animals to survive in the environment. Structural is how their body is made, the body shape, the form of their body. That is structural adaptation. Second is how they behave, what do they do. Just like the birds, when it's winter, the birds cannot survive. They migrate. Migrate means they fly all together and find another place where there is no winter. That is migration, migrate. When they fly all together, many of them fly and move to another place that is warm, no winter. So that is how their body, or that is how they behave. They move to another place to find warmer weather. That is sample of behavioral adaptation. Again, two adaptations we have. Structural, it talks about how their body is built, the shape of their body, the structure. And behavioral adaptations, how the animals move. So here we can see key ideas here. Adaptations can be structural, depends on body structures. The other adaptation is, we can see in the screen, behavioral, depends on behavior, how animals move, what do they do in if this is the situation, in the environment, what do they do? And body structure, how their body is made to survive in the environment. And then we also learn about adaptations of animals in getting food. How do they get food? Because animals need to be adapted or need to survive so that they can eat food. So here we have predators and prey. Predators are those animals who hunt or kill other animals. So the lions are predators. How do they get their food? Their body structure they have these sharp teeth. Because they are predators, they eat meat, they need to have a strong teeth to bite other animals. That's why they need to have sharp teeth so they can eat. And then this this bird also, the body in their feet, they have a sharp talons, this one, or claw. They need it to catch fish. So their bodies are being adapted to help their feet was adapted to help them get the fish. So they needed to have a sharp feet or talons. And the tigers, in order for them to hide and it's easy for them to catch their prey to eat, they will not be seen by the prey. They needed to have the stripe on their bodies so they can hide among the grass. And it's difficult for them to be seen by the prey. So that is their adaptation, their body adaptation, so they can eat food. Next. Oh, some animals also, they use camouflage. You can see in the screen, camouflage. Camouflage. Camouflage means they follow or they copy the color of their environment. They copy so that predators cannot see them. And that is the way how they protect their bodies or themselves from danger. They copy the color. They copy the color, the shape, like that, so they can protect themselves. Like that owl, the snowy owl lives among the snow. So what did the owl do? The color of the owl is it's not really the owl is making its color white. I mean, it's natural for them to have this white color so they can survive. They can live in the snowy area. So their color is also white. So predators cannot easily see them because their color is white. Same with the background. And chameleon, we know chameleon can copy. Wherever you put the chameleon, it copies the color. See? If chameleon is among the leaves, the color also of chameleon is green. See? So also the leaf insect. The leaf insect also looks like a leaf. So we think, oh, this is a leaf. But when we touch it, it moves because it's alive. So leaf insects adaptation to survive in the environment is camouflage. Camouflage. To copy or to make itself look like the same where they are. Okay. And then we also have this fish. This fish also survive and can find food. How do they find food? This anglerfish lives in the deep part of the ocean. So under the ocean, there's no more sunlight. Sunlight cannot get in because very deep. So it's very dark. So how can the anglerfish survive and eat? On top of its head, there is this little light at the end. There is this little light. And what is the purpose? It gives light. It is flashing light. And other smaller fish or other smaller things living in the ocean will be attracted. Oh, what is that light? What is that light? And then they swim near the fish. When they swim near the fish, that's the time the fish will eat them. Oh, so it is using its light to attract to call food. Oh, food, come here. Food, come here. So the other fish, smaller fish think, oh, it's beautiful. There is light, but they didn't know they will be eaten. So that is how anglerfish survive. And then we also have the firefly. Oh, this firefly, we can see at the bottom there are lights. When they fly at night, the bottom flashes light. It is also to attract organisms to go near. Other smaller organisms will go near because of the light. When they come near, the firefly will eat them. So that's how they survive. They attract other fireflies. Okay. And for the plants, we also have this structural adaptation, how their body looks. The picture plant, remember this picture plant here? It's long and there is opening. When flies or small insects get inside, they close and the insects become their food. So their body structure is made like that so they can eat. And also the Venus flytrap. The Venus flytrap opens and there are sharp thorns the edges. When there are some insects that flies inside and then they close and the insects cannot get out and that will be their food. Okay. And the wolf. The wolf is carnivore. It's another animals. So need to have a strong teeth. So their teeth are made to be sharp, sharp fang. Sharp, sharp. And also you're sharp because they need to eat meat. So they can digest the food well. They can eat the food well. They have the sharp fangs for eating. They needed it to eat food. Okay. And then we also have this hummingbird. The hummingbird is very small and it gets food from the nectar of the flowers. How can it get nectar? So the body structure, it has a very long beak to sip, to drink the nectar from the leaf. That is the body structure of the hummingbird. And the eagle also has a sharp beak to get fish and the feet also to catch fish. And then the butterfly also, their mouth of the butterfly is designed so that it can also get food easily. Pichaya S, please turn off microphone. Thank you. Okay, thank you, Pichaya. Okay, and then the mosquito. The mosquito is vampire. They drink blood from humans and other animals. So their mouth also looks like a small straw, and when they fly on our skin, they suck the blood. That is how their bodies are made, or their mouth is like a straw to get blood so they can survive and eat food. Okay, so our key ideas, the adaptations can be structural and behavioral, and it can help them to feed and eat characteristics of an organ, help them to feed and eat and survive in the environment. Now today, we will focus on how animals escape from predators. Adaptation for escaping. How do they run away? How do they protect themselves from predators? Some animals, like the turtle, they have this adaptation called hiding. They hide. This turtle has a shell, right? Hard shell. When the turtle is feeling, oh, I am in danger, the body and the feet will get inside the shell. And then they are safe already. They can hide under the shell. The shell is hard. Okay. And some animals, when they think others want to kill me, they make a hole on the ground and they hide under the ground. Okay. And this one, giraffe. Giraffe? No, not giraffe. Zebra. The giraffe, what do so they can survive? They go together in groups to survive. Many, they have to be many because if they are many, they can go get near to each other and the lions cannot easily attack them. So they need to be in groups. They need to be together. And you know what? Why the zebra have stripe? Who knows why the zebra have black stripes on their body? Why they have black stripe? Kamin, do you have idea? Why their bodies have black stripe? Why zebra has black stripe? Huh? That is also one way, their way to hide from predators and especially for flies. The flies like to suck the blood of animals, right? The mosquito like that. But if their bodies have stripe, the flies or mosquito cannot land because they cannot see clearly. Their eyes will become they become dizzy. So they don't like the mosquitoes, flies. They don't like to stay on the body of the zebra because there are stripes. So it's a protection, their protection from mosquito or flies. Okay. That is how they defend, they survive. And this one, puffer fish. Have you seen a puffer fish? This one? Ah, okay. This puffer fish, first, it is not round. But when they feel they're in danger, they take in air or water to their body and they make themselves big and round and it's difficult to eat them because they became big and they are poisonous. Humans cannot eat puffer fish. And porcupine, this porcupine, they have sharp sharp needles in their body. Lions cannot eat them. They will show their sharp needles in their body and they survive. They cannot be eaten. And also these other animals, so that they will not be eaten, they give warning using the color, bright color. Instead of hiding, what this poison frog, arrow frog do, how do they survive? The color of their body is very bright. There are yellow, blue, orange, and it is giving a signal to predators. Oh, this is poisonous. We should not eat this frog because it's poisonous because the color is so bright. So that is the and it shows that they are poisonous. If we eat them, we can be killed. So that is how they protect their bodies. And the squid. The squid, uh if they see there is danger, if they feel that there is danger, they right away swim away quickly. They swim away quickly if they feel that there is danger. So this part their body structure help them to swim away quickly if they feel there is danger. And then these butterflies, the butterflies, they copy other organism. Example, the monarch butterfly is originally look like this. And this viceroy butterfly copy its color and design and pattern to monarch butterfly. But actually they are not the same. Monarch is different, viceroy is different, but viceroy copy the monarch butterfly. And this insect, coral snake, is not poisonous, not dangerous. But king snake is dangerous. King snake is originally dangerous. But the coral snake copy the king snake. So they almost look the same. And then when they copy, predator will think, oh, this snake is dangerous because it is a king snake. But it is not a king snake. It's a coral snake. Just copy. They just copy so that the predator will not eat them. Okay. And the spider also has a way to make itself appear like the environment. So let's see once more the key ideas, and then I will show you video. So adaptation, so they can escape from predator. What are the different adaptations so they can escape from predators? We have hiding. First, animals hide. Second, they live in groups. They live together in big number. A lot of them will gather together. Third, they defend themselves. Fourth, they have warning colors in their body. 5, some animals move away quickly from danger. 6, some has camouflage. Camouflage is they copy the color of their body to the environment. And 7, others copy other organisms. Other organisms, they look like their other organisms. So there are seven ways how animals escape from predators. First, again, by hiding. Second, living in groups. Third, they defend themselves. 4, they give warning. 5, by moving quickly away. 6, camouflage. And 7, to look like other organisms. Okay, now, before your activity, I will show you a sample video. Oh, I will show you actual video of animals trying to no trying to hide from predators. First, let us see how a pufferfish protects itself. Pufferfish. First, the pufferfish is small, but there is an animal who wants to eat the pufferfish. Look what the pufferfish do. The pufferfish suck in air and water and make itself big like a balloon. So it's difficult to eat the pufferfish. See? The pufferfish sucks. Yes. Oh, it becomes like a balloon now because the pufferfish sucks in air and water. So it becomes very round and difficult to eat because it needs to survive. Oh, and it's poisonous too. If the otter will really eat pufferfish, it can die. See, the otter give up. Oh, see what did the pufferfish do? Wait, here. After the otter went away, the pufferfish returned to and then swim away. See? First it sucks in air and water, make itself big. Look like a balloon. When the predator is gone, they will release the air again. And then they will become small again and swim away. So that is how pufferfish protect itself from predators. Next, we have porcupine. The porcupine has in Yala, this happens in Yala. This is the porcupine, and the cheetah Cheetah wants to eat the porcupine. It happens in Yala. See, but the porcupine has sharp needles in its body. So the cheetah cannot eat, is having hard time to attack the porcupine because the body has very sharp needles. The cheetah wants to catch the porcupine, to eat the porcupine, but the porcupine protects itself by the sharp needles. Oh, the cheetah is afraid. Cheetah said, "Oh no, oh, it's dangerous. I have to back off. I need to surrender. It's dangerous." Cannot. The cheetah cannot attack. See? So the porcupine protects itself by using the body structure. Next, let's see how other animals use camouflage. There are 12. First, we have the stick. This is the stick. This one is in the movie. This one is real. It looks like a stick, right? So it can protect itself from danger. People or predators might think they are not animals. It copies the leaf. The color is also green. This one stick looks like a twig in the tree. So their body structure is made to be like that so they can hide from predators. Number 11. Oh, this one is a mantis, but looks like a flower. Looks like an orchid flower. We might not think that is animal, insect, because it looks like a flower, but it is an insect. Mantis. It's beautiful. Looks like a flower, but it's an insect. Oh, there are eyes. And there are legs too. Uh, Looks like a flower, but it's not a flower. It's an insect. Mantis. Number 10. Oh, wolf spider. The wolf spider also. Ooh, scary. They copy environment. Also, they also look like brown. Same with environment. There are babies on its back. Baby spider on its back. A lot of babies. They hide under the rocks or on the sand. And they are dangerous too. Oh, this wolf spider copy the ground. Looks like same with the ground color. Number 9. Oh, this fish. Stonefish because it looks like a stone. It's dangerous when you walk using your feet without shoes or slippers. You might step on them because you think it's a stone, but they are stonefish. They look like stone, but they are stonefish. They copy the environment. And they are dangerous. And there is a sharp sting. This one also is a stonefish. Looks like corals, look like stones. This one, praying mantis. Its name is dead leaf because it looks like a dead leaf. Oh, see, it looks like a leaf, dead leaf, but it's not a dead leaf. It's a praying mantis. It's a mantis. So predators think they are leaves, but they are not leaves. Looks like a leaf, dead leaf, but they are insects. They use camouflage. They copy the color of their environment and the pattern. Oh, looks like a leaf, but it's not a leaf. It's a dead leaf mantis. Yes, mantis. Oh, what you wrote it. Oh, this octopus also. Mimic octopus. Mimic means it copies. Oh, look, it's white. It copies the sand color. This one too. It copies the pattern and environment where it is placed. They look like the same. Oh, this one. Copy the sand color so we cannot see that right away. That is how they protect themselves from predators. They copy. Number 6. This butterfly is called dead leaf butterfly. The wings look like the dead leaf, pattern of the dead leaf. When we look at the wings, it looks like leaf, but it's a butterfly. Dead leaf butterfly. They wanted to protect themselves by looking like a dead leaf. There are different kinds of dead leaf butterfly. This one too. This one. Dead leaf. Number 5, we have seahorse. Seahorse, you know seahorse, right? The horse in the sea, they look like this. The seahorse attach itself to corals. So very cute. They look like corals, but they are seahorses. And they don't usually move. They look like corals. They copy. Number 4, moth. Moth. This one is a moth. Moth is butterfly has colorful, but moth is not colorful, and they are bigger, and they usually fly out during the night. So they also have camouflage. They copy their environment. Oh, this moth looks like a log. Looks like the log. It copies the color and the pattern of the log. So they can protect themselves from predators. Predators think there's nothing there. There's no insect, but they are there. They just hard to see because they copy their environment. It looks like a log. We might touch them, but they will move. Oh, this one is owl. We have the owl looks like a frog. The mouth looks like a frog. They copy the trees. They copy the body of the trees. So it's not easy to see them. See? Look at these owls. They copy their bodies and structure look like the branches of the trees. Yes. Okay. Teacher. Excuse me, teacher. Eh, oh, thank you, teacher. Okay. It's okay. Okay, so number 2. Let's see number 2. Leopard. Can you see the leopard? Oh, this leopard copies the color of the environment too. Oh, they are hiding so that they can hunt the goats. They can eat the goats. They look like rocks too. So they can easily hunt and get food. Oh, uh, they can hide easily. So cute. They are cute. They look cute, but they are dangerous. They are carnivores. They eat. They can eat and oh, their eyes are cute, blue. Yeah, they belong to the cat family. Tigers, lions, cat, they belong to the cat family. Oh, looks like rocks too. So it can hide itself. It can hide itself. Number 1 is the leaf-tailed gecko. Oh, can you see the gecko? Oh, gecko looks like a leaf, but it's not a leaf. It's a gecko. Oh, it's yeah, it's dangerous because example you are walking in the forest, yeah, and then you touch. Oh, dangerous. So you have to be careful when you go out to the forest or to the trees because you might touch this gecko and it's dangerous. Yes, Pichaya Ard. Pichaya Ard. Oh, looks like a dinosaur. Okay, let's proceed. Oh, it's dangerous. We should not touch them. Oh, they looks like a leaf, but it's a gecko. It's scary. Looks like a leaf. But I think there's no gecko like this. No, in Thailand, do we have like this gecko? You have gecko here, but different type, not like this. I think. Structure. Okay. So one more. The last one. Ah, this one. We have different. So many animals they develop camouflage so they can hide from their predators. So like this leaf insect, stick insect, and this fish. This fish looks like not a fish. So they use it to help them to hide from their prey and then they can hunt food. Soldiers also, wait for a while. Soldiers also or army, when they go to war, they wear a camouflage clothing, right? Army, they wear like green, some brown, so they can blend in the trees, in the grass, they can hide, and their enemies cannot see them. That's why when they wear camouflage uniform, the army, the soldiers. And this one, this predator, they need to eat. They have sharp teeth, sharp fangs, sharp claw, sharp claws. So because so that it's easy for them to eat their food. Like this eagle have a sharp claw, so help them catch the fish, catch their prey. And these snakes and spider, they have poison or venom to help them kill their enemies. And then for the plant-eating animals, herbivore, their adaptation of their body, example the horse, their jaw here is designed strongly for eating the grass because they eat grass. They eat grass for a long time. So they can eat the grass. And they have flat teeth, so when they eat, they can eat right away. And these parrots, they have like this beak, so it is easily for them to eat. And then these organisms defend themselves from danger by having shell. Shell. And this is armadillo. This armadillo here is also a shell. It can also hide its body and head and legs under the shell. Nim? Ah, ar soft. Armadillo. Oh, and then they have tough skins, thick skin, and have a protection. And this one, behavioral adaptation, this flock of birds, they gather together, and when they are in danger, they gather together to protect themselves, because if you are only one, it's dangerous. But if you gather together, you're in groups, they can protect from predator because they can protect also younger the babies. And also this fish, they have to gather together. And there are some fish, to trick the other bigger fish, they will form like a big fish, but they are small fish. They gather together and they make a form of a big fish, and the bigger fish will be afraid because the bigger fish thinks, oh, there is a shark. But no, the small fish just gather together to make a form of bigger fish to protect themselves. It's almost done. Oh, this frog. This frog is poisonous. And it can protect itself by having poison. And the color, their color is beautiful, bright, blue, red, like that. But they are showing that is their how they protect themselves. See, animals use bright colors to tell predators that I am not yummy, I am dangerous. This ladybug is dangerous, has poison. The dragonfly, the skunk. Oh, this skunk has very disgusting smell, very strong smell. And then this, yes, okay. They don't use camouflage, but they use poison and toxic. And then some organisms copy other organisms, like this one. These are originally dangerous. The picture up, wasp. But below the C, D, E, F, they are just mimic. They just copy. They look like they are dangerous, but not. They just copy to protect themselves. And this coral snake and the other snake, only the other snake, the venomous snake is dangerous. But the non-venomous snake is not. Who is writing on the screen? Stop writing. Who is that? Come in. Is that you? Ah, ah, I thought you stop writing. Okay. You're almost done. Then you have activity. So this is the ways how animals protect themselves. How do they protect? Okay. Oh, who wrote this on the screen? I don't have. Okay. So now we have learned that there are different ways how animals protect themselves and how do they find food. We started here on. Oh, who wrote this? It's not gone. Okay. So again, we have learned that animals have adaptation how to escape from predators. There are how many? There are seven. Seven. So first we have hiding. Next, they live in groups. They defend themselves. They have warning colors. Some they move quickly away. Some have camouflage and some copy other organisms. Now I want you to choose again. Choose an organism that is showing how they escape from predators. Now last week, many students still not finish the adaptation last week. I also asked you to choose an animal to draw one way of showing how they adapt to environment. Some students not yet pass. So for today, you choose. Example, if you choose turtle, the adaptation for escaping predator is hiding, right? So if you draw this turtle, then you copy this one, hiding. Then you write, some animals hide like that. Okay, you get a paper. If you don't have a paper, a notebook is okay. And the title today is Adaptations. Okay. Can. So the title is Adaptation for Escaping Predators. Adaptations for Escaping Predators. And you choose one animal that is showing how this animal escape from predator. So example again, if you choose this turtle, so you at the side of your drawing you write hiding. Some animals hide in burrow like that. Okay? If you choose zebra, then in your drawing you write zebra, right? And then there is living in group. Living in group. So you have to write living in group and then drawing. If you choose pufferfish or porcupine, so you have to write this one, defending themselves. You have to write how do they, because there are seven, right? Hiding, living in group, this one, defending themselves. So you have to write that one. Science book, you can start to choose in page 136. Okay, again, there are seven types of how they escape. So you can choose one. First, if you choose hiding, then draw the turtle and then write this one hiding. If you choose about living in groups, yes, yes, topic. If you choose living in groups, so you write living in groups and then zebra. If you choose defending themselves, so you write also this one, defending themselves, and then pufferfish or porcupine. That is 3. Number 4, if you want to draw the frog, so that is about warning, color, or pattern. So you write this one too. That is number 4. You can choose. I think frog is easy, right? Frog is easier, I think. Oh, you can choose which one you want. 4. And then if you want the squid moving quickly away from danger, it's number 5. You can choose also if you want this. 5. And then the other one, camouflage. If you want camouflage, so you write about camouflage, this one. If you don't want to draw zebra, you can draw the chameleon, the stick insect, or the leaf insect. You can draw that and write camouflage. And then this one, appearing to look like another organism. So you write this one, appearing to look like organism, and then this one, and you choose to draw. And yes. So again, there are 7, right? So you choose what, which adaptation you want to draw, because there are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you choose one and write about it. First, the title first on top of your drawing is Adaptations for Escaping Predators. Title. And then, what adaptation you choose? Hiding, living in group, defending themselves, warning colors or patterns, moving away, camouflage, or appearing to look like other organism. Do you understand? Title, and then what adaptation, and then the drawing. Then you write about it. Yes, Natanan? You have a question? Okay. Okay, thank you. So you can choose, okay? Choose what to draw. Title. Wait, I will write. You're welcome. Example. I will do my example. Adaptations for escaping predators. Title on top. And then I want to choose camouflage. So I will write camouflage. And then I will draw a stick insect example. Stick. Uy. Stick insect. And then I will write about here some animals. Okay. Here's my example. Look, so title, Adaptations for Escaping Predators, and then I use camouflage. So camouflage, and then I draw the stick insect, and I write stick insect, and then below the drawing write about the camouflage. So some animals here defend themselves by using, okay, like this. Understand? Tapi, a title, what type of adaptation, the name of the insect you draw, and then under is you draw you write about the adaptation that you choose. Got it, students? Got it. Come in for a while. Can you this one screenshot? Finish, please, because I cannot. I'm holding. Okay, finish. Thank you. No, no, to me only. Oh, line group. Ah, it's okay. It's okay. So other students can see. My penlay. It's okay. Ah, okay. Thank you. Sample so that you will know what to do. Title, what adaptation, and then drawing, name of the organism, and then under write about the adaptation. I will share my screen again. Okay. So it's up to you to choose which adaptation and which organism is easy for you to do. Whether you want hiding or you want living in groups or defending in themselves can be, or warning colors or patterns, or you want moving quickly away from danger, you want camouflage, or you want appearing to look like organism. Just choose one and write about it. Okay? And I will give you vocabularies for our next week. So while you are doing, I will send the vocabularies. Okay, so that is all about adaptation for escaping predators.